Hey, let me show you the best game turbo settings on the Poco C85. So first of all, you have to for sure turn it on. Now you have to click on this settings icon, and over here, first of all, just make sure that you turn on the game turbo and then go to the performance. Now I can recommend you to turn on the performance optimization. It's like super useful thing. Also make sure that you turn on that option and the Wi-Fi speed boost. Now, we have to go back from this settings, and I can also recommend you to use some other features. They are not related with the game turbo. So we have to start by opening the security application. And here you can actually improve your smartphone by using this feature, boost speed. Now it's gonna clear cache and close all running apps, the third-party apps and the system apps. Really useful. Now we have to click to boost speed, and as you can see, everything will be closed. And another option, you have to go to the settings. Now you have to go into the additional settings, open the memory extension, which is located here, and now make sure that you add 8 gigs of the RAM. And that's basically everything for this video.